Today we are going to discuss integer division, that is non-restoring division algorithm. In integer division there is two algorithm, mainly restoring division and non-restoring division. Today we are going to discuss non-restoring integer division. So this is the flow chart we follow, and n is the number of bits, m is the divisor, q is dividend, and a we are taking as 0 initially. So this is the flow chart we follow. Let's see how it is working. I will show you an example. As an example, I took 23 by 5. So in binary 2's complement system, how to represent 23? So 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 23. To represent 23 in 2's complement system, I need minimum 6 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put 1 0 here in 32's position. So 6 bits I took. So 23 is my Q. That is n bits. N is 6 now. Plus 5. I need 5. My divisor is 5. Divisor is M. Divisor represent M. M should be n plus 1 bits. That is 7 bits. So 5, that is 4 plus 1, 5. Remaining all position 0. I took 1 extra bit for M. Now A, I already told A I am taking as 0. Oh, everything is 0. That is also n plus 1 bit, that is 7 bits in our example. I just calculated minus m here because we want to calculate a minus m. If we want to calculate a minus m, what we are doing is a plus minus m we are doing. So I need minus m. Minus m, how I took? I take m's 1's complement plus 1, that is I will take the 2's complement of m. So how to take 2's complement of m? We can see here, this is my m, that is 5. 4 plus 1, 5. I took the 1's complement, 1 1 1 0 1 0 plus 1, that is 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. I got 2's complement of m, that is minus m. So it is my minus m. Now I am going to do one example of 23 by 5, how to do non-restoring algorithm. So initially I am going to take n, that is 6 bits. Now my m, what is my m? We can see here, m is 1 2 3 4 1 0 1. A, there is also 7 bits, all zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here my Q. What is Q here? N bits, that is 6 bits. 0 1 0 1 1 1. This is my Q, that is 6 bits. I am going to write here what operation I am going to do. So initially how we will start? As per our flow chart, you can see in our flow chart how to do a of n. I want to check a of n. If it is 0, I should do this operation. If it is 1, I should do this operation. So here my a of n is 0. 0 is my a of n, that is most significant bit. If it is 0, what I should do? Shift left a q and also a equal to a minus m. So shift left, I am going to do shift left. So this 0 I will omit and this 0 I will start. 0 0 0 0 0 0, and I will take this 0 also, 7 bits. Now 1 0 1 1 1. There is a gap here. I just put question mark there. So if a equal to 0, I should do shift left and a equal to a minus m. How to do a equal to a minus m? What is my a? 0, 0, 0, 7 zeros is my a. So I already calculated minus m here. So a minus m. So a plus minus m. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the answer I got. So I will write 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 7 bits. Now Q is same 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 and question mark. Next, what I will do according to my algorithm, again I should check a of n. If it is 0, q of 0 should be 1. If it is 1, q of 0 should be 0. So what is according to my algorithm? My a of n is, in this example, a of n is 1. So what to do? Q of 0 should be 0. I should fill q of 0 with 0. This position I am taking as 0. So remaining position as usual 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 4 ones. So now I got this much. This is my first cycle. In my second cycle, I took n is 5. So because according to my flowchart, n equal to n minus 1. So every cycle we should decrement the value of n. If n is not equal to 0, we should again repeat the same steps. If n equal to 0, we can go for the result. Now I am going to my second step. Again I am doing the step. I will check a of n. If a of n equal to 1, what should I do? Shift left aq and also a should be a plus m. So shift left aq. I am going to shift 1, 1, 1, 0, double 1, 1 gap. I will fill this one. 0, triple 1, 0, 1 gap here, question mark. Next, a equal to a plus m. How to do a equal to a plus 1? What is my a? This is my a. M I have here. So a plus m. I am going to do a plus m. So this is my a. This is my m. I am going to add 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. I got this number. So I am going to write that number here. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 ones and 2 zeros. Q is same. 1, 1, 0, question mark. Now again I should check a of n in this cycle. So what is a of n? It is equal to 1. If a of n equal to 1, q of 0 should be 0. So I should replace this q of 0 with 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what I got now. What operation I did here? Q of 0 I assigned as 0. Here also Q of 0 I assigned as 0. So my second cycle over. Now n equal to n minus 1, 4. So this step I should continue till n equal to 0. When n equal to 0, I can stop here. If n equal to 0, I can stop here. So the last value I am going to get is like this. 6 ones and 0 in A, Q. 3 zeros, 1, 0, 0. This is the step I am going to get at last, just before n equal to 0. So this is my quotient or my final answer. So as this is a division, we did 23 by 5. Answer should be 4. So this is 4. And remainder should be 3. So how to get the remainder? In A, I got this number. I should restore this A. Restore A. So how to restore A? A plus M. Take this M. So what is our M? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1, 0, 1. Add this. I will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 and carry 1. So this is the answer I got. What is this? This is 3. So my remainder is 3. So 23 by 5 I got the answer for and remainder 3. This is what called non-restoring algorithm. Very simple algorithm. Just follow our flowchart. Just remember M is the divisor, Q is the dividend and A will take as 0. And M should be n plus 1 bits. A also should be n plus 1 bits. First check M must be of A of n. If equal to 0, shift left, A equal to A minus m. If equal to 1, shift left, A equal to A plus m. Again check M must be of A of n. If equal to 0 now, Q of 0 should be assigned 1, Q of 0 should assign as 0. Then n equal to n minus n. If when n equal to 0, we can stop here. So my result will be in Q register and restore the remainder. What I am getting in A, just add A with M. I will get remainder here. Then our flowchart can be stopped. So this step you can try. You should repeat from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in the last cycle when you finish, you will get answer like this. So we can stop here. This is the answer. I think this video is useful for you. If it is useful, just comment and like it.